Hello little ones, welcome back to this writing class, that is cursive writing. Okay, today we are going to do page number 14, but before we begin I want to tell you that cursive writing book is this book. Yes, whenever Miss gives you any homework of cursive writing, you have to write in this book only, not in your 4-line book. Okay, because in this way only you have to improve your writing. Okay, this cursive writing book, whichever page Miss tells you, you have to write on the dotted line and nicely you have to write. Don't write in the 4-line book. Okay, yes, understood. Now we will begin writing the page number 14. Now what is there in page number 14? You all open page number 14 of your cursive writing book. Take your pencil and see that your pencil is well sharpened. Yes, and sit nicely. When you sit to write cursive writing, you sit that you see that you sit in correct position. Yes, don't sit anywhere on the bed and your handwriting will not come nice. Okay, you sit, take a chair, take your writing table where you study and take your cursive writing book and we will begin. So now see carefully what I am going to write the first word. Now tell me, you all already have opened your cursive writing book. Which word is there first? Pale, P-A-I-L, pale. Yes, so Miss will write here P-A-I-L, pale. P-A-I-L, pale. Okay, P-A-I-L, pale. Down you have got the dotted line. You are going to write again there on the dotted line also. You have got 4 lines or 5 lines. Counting the dotted line, you have to write everywhere. Okay, nicely. See, Miss is writing like this. Okay, you have to complete till down. How many lines are there? Yes, 4 lines. Okay, first you write on the dotted line and then you will write down in the same way. Okay, write very slowly. Cursive writing you have to write very slowly. Don't try to complete. If you are free, that time only you sit and write, and if you are feeling tired, then you can write one word and take a break and then write the other one, but do nicely. Okay, now first one we have finished the writing the first word, that is pale. Now next word is male, M-A-I-L, male. Now again Miss is writing M-A-I-L, male. Don't forget to put a dot. Okay, and don't write anyhow. See, in your cursive writing book, M goes above this, then L, then you all are writing A small, and I you all are forgetting anywhere you are doing dot, and this L comes with big loop. This looks like E. Yes, this doesn't look nice and this is wrong also. You have to write very nicely. Don't write like this. Okay, this all are wrong. See, this is the correct one. Pale, male, and which is the next word? Which is the next word? Tail. Yes, you all have seen the tail of a dog, of any animal. T-A-I-L, tail. Okay, see, one thing remember, in your cursive writing book, T is written like this with a loop, but you all don't write. This is wrong. Yes, there is no loop in the T. In the L there is a loop. Okay, so be careful. You don't copy the same way of the cursive writing. It is a printing mistake. So you learn the right thing. T, you don't have to take a loop. T, A, I, L, tail, and then a line. See, we have finished pale, male, and tail. Now the next word, hail. H-A-I-L, hail. Yes, again one more time. H-A-I-L, hail. Yes, H-A-I-L, hail, like that same. You see, you follow the blue line. follow the red line. What you are supposed to touch, you have to touch that red line. Okay. Now the next is sail. S A I L, sail. Now the next, again one more time, S A I L, sail. Okay, S A I L, sail, S A I L, sail. Now the next is, you are all like this, cake, C A K E, cake. Yes, nice yummy cake, you will all enjoy. C A K E, cake. See, hail and sail. Till sail we have completed the first line. Yes, the first part of that page. Now the next part, what is written? Cake, and the other word is bake. Mrs. writing here, you will have to complete till down. Yes, B A K E, bake. As I told you before, don't write B like this so big. See, like this you all are writing. This is wrong. You write slowly, slowly. See how Miss is writing B like this. Take a loop here. A K E. Yes, B A K E, bake, and then again also you have to continue writing down. Yes, bake, then take. Again T, be careful, T A K E, take. Don't forget to make a slanting line. Again Miss is writing T A K E, take. Okay. See, we have finished cake, bake, take, and then make. What we will write? M A K E, make. Again one more time. M A K E, make. See, cake, bake, take, make. Still one more word is there. Yes. Now we will complete that word also. Now the last word, that is lake. L A K E, lake. One more time. L A K E, lake. See, all this we have finished. Even the previous we have finished sail, bale, yes, tail, all that we have finished. And in this also, bake, make, you have to write in very nicely. In which book? In 4-line book? No, in your cursive writing book only you are supposed to write this writing, page number 14. Okay. Then do nicely, write all these words very nicely, and then send it when Miss tells you to send them. Okay. Till then, bye. Have a nice day.